Hi, welcome to my video on the natural logarithm rules. And again, the natural logarithm is denoted by Ln. The rules of natural logarithms denoted by Ln. Ln means natural logarithm. What is the value of the ln of e? Well, the ln of e, remember the ln of e is the same as log of, if you think about it, is the log of e base e, because the ln is the same as log base e. And as a result, the log of e base e, that's e to the 1. So whenever you have the base here the same as here, then we, according to the rules in log, L-O-G, we have a 1. Another way to do that, or to show that, is to do log, or ln, of e inverse e, place e to the 1, so that's the same as e to the 1 power, which is e. So the ln of e is 1 using the calculator. So the ln of e is equal to 1. And look at it another way, e is approximately 2.72. So if you take your calculator and go ln of 2.72, then you will get, again, 1. So e is the base of 2.72. So as a result, we have the natural logarithm rules are same as the log rules. So if the ln is the same as log to the base e, then the natural logarithm rules are the same as the log rules. So the log rules for the power, which is log b of a to the x, that's the same as x log a base b. So ln of n to the x is the same as x ln n. So the power rule moves in front of the log, and the power rule here moves in front of the ln. And to do an example of that, the log of 2, 5 cubed is the same as 3 times the log of 5 base 2. And the ln of 4 squared is the same as 2 times ln 4. So the power moves to the front. And we have a product rule, and the product rule for log, L-O-G, the product rule of a times c base b is the log of a base b plus log of c base b. So ln is the same thing. The ln of ac is the ln of a plus the ln of c. Again, notice the base here. Ln is the same as the log base e, so the base here is understood to be an e, but they don't write it the e here. So the ln of a product is the sum of the lns, or we could say log. And an example of that, the log of 7x is equal to the log of 7 plus the log of x. And the ln of 7x is the ln of 7 plus the ln of x. So the log of a product is the sum of the logs. And that's the same here. The ln of a product is the sum of the lns. a quotient rule, the log of a over c base b is log a base b minus log a log c. A is here, that's c there, base b. So the ln of a over c, the log of a division is a subtraction of logs. The ln of a division is a subtraction of lns. So the log of 11 over 4 is the log of 11 base 3 minus the log of 4 base 3. And the ln of 11 over 4 is the ln of 11 minus the ln of 4. So a quotient of a log of a quotient is the subtraction of logs. The ln of a quotient is the subtraction of the lns. Now let's write as a single log. Let's do some extra practice mixing them up. If we have a number in front of a ln, so it goes ln 6 squared. Ln, number in front, goes to the power. So that's 8 to the 1/3. So that's the ln. 6 squared is 36. And 8 to the 1/3 is the cube root of 8, so that's a 2. So the ln of the subtraction is the quotient of the lns. So that's the ln of 18 as a single log or single. Again, when we say single log, we mean ln. In this case, it has to be ln, even though I say a log here. So again, some books, they could put ln here, but the log, because you have ln, they're assuming that you're working at the log rules. And another one, ln of 81 to the 1/2, half goes to the power, plus ln is 2 cubed, so the half goes to the power of 81, 3 goes to the power of 2. So 81 to the half square root of 81 is 9, plus 2 cubed is 8, and the sum of two lns is a product, so it's 9 times 8, so that's the ln. 8 nines are 72. So just reviewing the rules, the ln rules are the same as the log rules. Another rule that we entertain is the ln of e to the x. The ln of e to the x, according to the power rule, is x ln e. But ln e is x times 1. So that's x. So notice the power goes in front x. So the ln of e, just to make sure, just to check it, the ln of e, ln of e is inverse, and we raise it to the 1 power. The ln of e is 1. These rules you have to memorize. And as a result, find the value of each. So the ln of e squared is the same as, because we have the ln of e to the x, then we have a 2. The ln of 1 over e cubed is the ln. 1 over e cubed is e to the negative 3. So the ln of e to the negative 3 is the negative 3. And square root of e is e to the 1/2. So the ln of e to the 1/2 is 1/2. Now we have the ln of e to the 12, so that's a 12, minus 1/2 times, this is the ln of e to the 10, so that's a 10. So 12, subtract 5, we get a 7. So again, we're using a rule. The ln of e to a power is that power. And another rule that you'll see being used when we solve equations is that e to the ln x is equal to what? Well, let's explain. So let's let e to the ln x equal a. So notice we have an exponential. Even though there's a ln here, this is a base exponent number. So we change ln to log base e of x is the way I handle it. So remember, the log of e is same as ln. So ln is e, and the log of e, the base e. So we have an exponential, so we say the log base is e, the exponent is log x base e, and that base exponent number, so that's right here, is a. I'm going to put, so the log of a base e, log of x base e, a is equal to x. So if a, whatever is here, is x. So this is a little proof for it. And if we want, let's look at e to the ln 7. Let's look at e to the ln 7 on our calculator, just see what happens. But I know that the answer is going to be a 7, but let's work it out. So here we go. So we got e. So there's e. Now we're going to do the ln of 7. Ln of 7. So this is e raised to the ln of 7. And we get a 7. So it's true. So let's do some problems working this out. Find the value of each. So e to the ln 3 is equal to a 3. And right here we have, this is supposed to be e to the ln like this, but this is 4. So we'll take the 4 and raise it to the power of 2. So that's e to the ln 2 to the 4th power is 16. So that means that e to the ln 16 is a 16. And we have another one here, e to the ln 2 plus ln 7. Well, we need e to the ln of some expression or number. So the sum of two lns is the ln of the product. So that's e to the ln 14. So e to the ln of 14 is 14. And we have another one to do, and we remove we got change this, so that's ln of 12 squared. The number in front of the ln, power rule, got to do the power rule first. And that's the ln of, now the ln of 8 cubed is the ln of 2. So the ln, so that's e to the ln of 144. So this is 14. Now the cube root of 8 is 2, so the ln of 2, well, there's no exact answer for it. So 14 subtract ln 2. Or we could have, if you want it as a decimal, let's work out the ln of 2 as a decimal. So it's 0.6923. So we take 14 and subtract that answer. So notice second function answer. The answer is right here, which is this. So we get, again, approximately 13.31. Because this is only the ln of 2, and that's an irrational number, so we can work it out on the calculator. Oops, sorry. Should have had that over. And I'll just clear that. So let's work out, just in case that you didn't see it, the ln of 2 on the calculator. The ln of 2 is decimal 6923. 6923. How they? Oh, let's try it again. Long. Why did I write that down wrong? 6931. Where did I get 23 at? Don't know where I got that. So 14 subtract that decimal. So 14 subtract ln 2 is the exact answer because we leave it as an exact number. We don't want an irrational number. So if we clear that and go 14 subtract decimal 6931, I'll get 13 again, 13.31. Same answer here. I just wrote that down wrong just then. And again, we're practicing the rules. So note, the ln of e to the x is x. E ln x is an x plus the other rules. So you'll see me use these rules. And I will use these rules when I do more problems on logs, especially in solving equations or simplifying. Find the value. Sorry for that little tiny error there. So if you like my video, click on the like button. If you want to be a subscriber to my channel, click on the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.